My name is Arpita Singh, and today I'm going to present one of the most useful AI tools for workplace productivity, which is Perplexity AI. In this presentation, I will explain what Perplexity AI is, its key features, how to use it, and a live demonstration, its business impact, and finally its advantages, limitations, pricing, and future potential. So, first of all, what is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is an AI powered search and research assistant. Unlike a normal research engine where we get lots of website links, Perplexity gives us a direct answer along with the sources it used. Because of it, this becomes much easier to research a topic quickly while also checking where the information came from. It is used for students, researchers, professionals, and businesses who want reliable information in less time. So, now let's look the overviews and key features of it. Flexity combines AI with real-time web search. So, the information is both smart and up to date. It helps users save time and makes research much more efficient. Some important features are Pro search for detailed responses, deep research for analyzing information from multiple sources, model switching to choose different AI models and spaces, while helps organize projects and collaborate with others. This screenshot on this slide shows the homepage of Perplexity AI, where users can simply type their questions and start searching. So now let me show you how Perplexity AI actually works. As you can see, the interface of Perplexity AI looks quite similar to ChatGPT. We have a chat box where we can type our questions in simple language. So if you have already used ChatGPT, you will find Perplexity very easy to use. But what makes Perplexity different is that it combines AI with web search. It does not just generate an answer, it also shows the sources from where the information is taken. This makes it very useful for research because we can verify the information whenever needed. So, on the left side, you can see options like new chart, spaces, history, other tools that help us organize our work and previous conversations. In their center, there is a search box where we can ask questions in natural language and just like we are having a conversation. So now, instead of just explaining it, let me search a topic and show how Perplexity AI actually works. So for this demonstration, I will search like how can AI improve workspace productivity. So this is related to our presentation topic. So let's see what Perplexity AI provide us. So as you can see, within a seconds, like few seconds, it has generated a detailed answers. Below the answer, it also provides the sources uh, that uh, from where the information was collected, and this help us verify the information and makes the research more reliable. So let us also write that can you summarize this in five key points. So as you can see, I have written it. Mm, then as it has quickly converted the detailed explanation into short and easy to understand points. This is really helpful when we don't have enough time to read a long article or report. So, personally, I find this feature very useful because it highlights only the most important information. It saves times and makes it easier to prepare presentations, reports, meeting notes, or even study materials. So, this is how Perplexity AI not only answers our questions but also helps us organize information in a much similar way. That's why it's valuable tool for students, researchers, and professionals who want fast, reliable, and well structured information. So, now let's look at some of the use cases of Perplexity AI and how we can use it effectively. Perplexity AI is very useful for market and competitor research because it helps us collect information from different sources quickly. It can also be useful to analyze industry trends, verify facts before using them, prepare reports and proposals, and carry out academic or professional research. Overall, it helps us find reliable information in much less time. Now, coming to the usage guide, using Perplexity AI is very simple. First, we have to open the Perplexity website and enter our research question or topic. Then we can choose the search focus depending on our requirements, such as web or academic. After that, Perplexity generates an answer with citations. We can open those sources to verify the information, ask follow up questions for deeper insights, and finally, export or share our findings if needed. So, with just a few simple steps, Perplexity AI makes the entire research process faster, easier, and more reliable. So now let me explain this with a simple business example. So let's say a marketing manager wants to know the latest AI trends that can improve workplace productivity. Normally, they would have to visit different websites, read articles, and compare the information, which takes a lot of time. But with Perplexity AI, they can simply ask one question like, what are the top AI tools for improving workplace productivity in 2026? Within a few seconds, Perplexity AI provides a complete answer. It lists the top AI tools, explains what each tool does, where it can be used in business, shares the latest industry trends, and most importantly, it also gives the sources so we can verify the information. So instead of spending hours on research, the manager gets everything in one place. This saves time and helps in making faster and better business decisions. That's why Perplexity AI is really useful tool for market research and business analysis. So, using Perplexity AI, the information we receive is already organized and easy to understand. Instead of collecting data from different websites, everything is available in one place with proper references. This makes research much simpler and more reliable. From a business point of view, this helps teams save time, make quicker decisions, and work more efficiently. Since the information is backed by sources, businesses can make decisions with more confidence. Overall, Perplexity AI helps improve productivity and supports better planning. Now let's look at the advantages, limitations, pricing, and future potential of Perplexity AI. One of the biggest advantages of Perplexity AI is that it provides real time information with source citations, has a simple interface, and makes research much faster and easier. Talking about the limitations, the quality of the answers depends on the available online sources, and some advanced features are only available in the pro version. So it's always a good idea to verify important information. Perplexity AI offers both a free plan and a pro plan, so users can choose based on their needs. Looking at the future, I believe Perplexity AI will become even smarter and more useful for businesses, and research. So, to conclude, uh, Perplexity AI is a reliable AI research assistant that helps to save time and improve productivity and support better decision making. Thank you.